Mazda CX-9 service due reset, newly changed oil. Proceed to screen display and then select home icon and then tap the application icon and then select vehicle status monitor. Select maintenance. Select scheduled 2 days, about 6,828 kilometers. From service due, setting time, distance, and select reset. Are you sure you want to reset scheduled maintenance? Yes, select reset. Now scheduled time 6 months, distance 10,000 kilometers. Then press back. From maintenance, select oil change 6,828 kilometers and then select reset. Are you sure you want to reset oil change? Select reset. Now setting interval distance 10,000 kilometers. Then press back. Back again. Back again. And back again. Now check the instrument cluster. Service due has been reset. Thank you.